Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to adjust screen brightness in laptop on Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To adjust screen brightness, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on System, click on Display, and you will find brightness and color. And now you can adjust your brightness and color as per your requirement. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.